Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will be taking a look at multi-login. Before we get any further, my always disclaimer is that nothing here should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, treat this strictly for educational purposes. So multi-login, the anti-detect browser for web scraping and multi-accounting, engineered to appear as real humans in the eyes of website hosts. So multi-login allows you to manage multiple accounts from different regions in one place without getting banned. Here you can see Mimic Browser, StealthFox Browser. Meet the industry-leading anti-detect browser with the lowest detection rates for web scraping and multi-accounting by employing advanced masking capabilities that effectively evade detections and bans. So we have the web scraping and automation, and also multi-accounting. So this will give you high chances of securing crypto airdrops, as you can use multiple profiles. Some airdrops introduce human challenges that are performed in a browser. There they might be checking browsers for consistency, and multiple sessions run from the same computer, and multi-login can solve this, increasing the chances of an airdrop. You can manage multiple accounts on different platforms, the likes of Binance, CoinGecko, and avoid getting banned and surf safely while scaling your crypto portfolio. So we have a proxy provider recommendation, which we will look at. This is NordMaven. So again, there are links for all of this down below. NordMaven, when quality counts, choose our residential proxies. We're the first proxy provider to prioritize IP quality above all else, which means 95% plus of their IPs have clean records. Their super sticky sessions last up to 24 hours, and you can remove a critical variable that is affecting your success rate. So you will need proxies for all of this, and of course, NordMaven here is the best proxy provider. We can see here, a bad proxy is holding your business back. NordMaven isn't your ordinary proxy service. Industry first IP filtering, super sticky sessions, and unmatched customer support. And here's how the proxy filtering works. Traditionally, proxy providers have competed to offer the largest network with the most IP addresses, sacrificing the quality of IPs. And NordMaven, they do the opposite. They have a random IP allocation approach and a quality first approach. So you can get a trial with NordMaven now by signing up. It takes less than a minute and you can get your proxies. Here we have flexible plans, so you can get started after that free trial for just $35 on a one-time payment. And the more you need, this scales up. But now back to multi-login here. Stay undetected, be unstoppable. Learn how you can transform the multi-login X from a single detectable user to many genuine presences online, unlocking seamless operations and unmatched security. So websites identify you as a single user. You are struggling to bypass detections, tired of slow, error-prone manual processes, concerned about secure profiles, storage and access, frustrated with downtime and slow support, or navigating security challenges, where a website identifying you as different real users. With multi-login X, you can harness their 9-year refined anti-detect technology and bypass detections, automate and scale with their comprehensive API and extension tools, choose local or encrypted cloud storage with instant syncing at launching, trust in their 99.98% uptime and 24/7 global support, and manage access rights and restrictions with multi-workspace functionality. For the benefits, again, maximize your scraping potential or effectively manage multiple accounts. So we have the web scraping and automation. Some of the features, we have fingerprint masking for undetectability. This is low detection rates with simplified human mimicking virtual browser profiles. The user has simple integration with Puppeteer and Selenium, and simplified management of API calls. Here with the multi-accounting, hassle-free multi-accounting, a fast-track multi-accounting without compromising on security, enjoy rapid setups and tailored control. So here we can avoid account bans with lowest detection, rapid profile creation and browser launch, and improved workspace permissions and roles. So again, on top of the fingerprint masking, we have a multi-level role management, so you can safeguard your data, open API, so every feature is accessible, and local profile, access profile data directly from the local drive and eliminate network latency. Here we can see all of these here. So yeah, the fingerprint masking, multi-level management, open API, and a local profile. And of course, get ahead with Multi-Login X. So Multi-Login X is a newer version of Multi-Login, which has a lot more features, which has details on the API, the profile management, team collaboration features, workspaces and recovery, and a better interface. For people who love Multi-Login, they have great reviews on Trustpilot. Here we can just see a few of the reviews, the best privacy browser out there, fast, reliable, and convenient, great and effective tool for daily usage. And they have even won awards themselves. Best anti-detect browser, they've got 3 rewards here, and best support summer, easiest to do business with, and a high performer. So get ready to experience the difference. You see what we bring to the table, isn't it time to put those benefits to work? So logged into the Multi-Login dashboard, again, you just need to sign up with an email and verify that. Here we have different users. I, of course, am new to Multi-Login, so you can upgrade to a paid plan to get full access, which will allow me to create profiles, boost teamwork, and automate. So again, the upgrades here, you need to choose a subscription plan that suits you. Here, of course, we have the different plans. So let me log in again, and we can see here, choose the plan that will help you grow. And of course, by paying annually, you get 25% off. So here we have the different plans: solo, team, scale, custom, the amount of profiles, if there's profile sharing, and a standard feature in each plan. Browser profile sync across your computers, fresh browser fingerprints every minute, smooth onboarding with detailed knowledge center, unlimited encryption cloud storage, real-time detection of IP geolocation, 24/7 expert multilingual support, local storage for exceptional speed, browser profile sorting and management tools, 2 privacy browsers, Mimic and StealthFox, and integrations with popular proxy providers, which of course will be Node Maven. So if you click on the word up here, you'll be able to see all of your profiles on cloud and local if you want to create a profile. And we have groups and workspace in all of the tabs. So of course you will need to select a plan to get everything up and running, but it's nice to have a look at the dashboard here. So we have further details on the solutions if you need that, and of course a full support with a knowledge base if you have any questions regarding the Multi-Login app itself. But make sure to check it out. Everything is linked down below. Also remember Node Maven for the proxies as well. But I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.